In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to test your microphone on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system item on the left side, and then on the right, select sound. Then you want to go and select where it says your microphone or input, select your microphone device, and then scrolling down again, there should be a start test button. You go ahead and start that, and then when you're done, you can stop it. See some information about the microphone here, as well as recording a sample to see how it sounds, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.